A quick and easy recipe for lunch or dinner. I'm going to start by slicing 150 grams of Calabrian sausage. Once the Calabrian sausage has been sliced, I'll also slice an onion. Then cut a tomato into slices. This recipe is very simple, but also very delicious. Make it at home because everyone will love it. Now in a frying pan, add olive oil and the onion we've cut. Let's let this onion fry for about 3 minutes. Look how it has already started to brown. At this point, we'll remove it and set it aside. With the heat off, I'll add our Calabrian sausage to the pan. I'll add them like this until they cover the entire bottom of the pan. And when it's nicely browned on the bottom, we'll turn them over and let them fry on the other side too. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I'll add 3 whole eggs, 100 grams of chopped olives, a teaspoon of oregano, black pepper to taste, salt to taste, and also the onion we fried. Now just mix everything together and beat the eggs with these ingredients. When it's ready, that's it. Next, we'll take this mixture and pour it over our Calabrian sausages. We'll spread it evenly over the top. And then we'll add the sliced tomatoes. At this point, we can add the grated mozzarella cheese, and the amount is up to taste. Also add oregano. Then put the lid on and let our eggs finish cooking. I'm going to add our pepperoni pizza with eggs to this dish. I'll add some chopped chives on top, and this delicious dish is ready to be served. Make this recipe because everyone is sure to love it, and it will save you time in the kitchen. Look at this. It's mouth-watering. There weren't any pieces left. I almost had to make another recipe because it was so delicious. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it. Until the next video, bye-bye.